This video will show you how to use Overdrive to find books you can read this summer. So this is the login page, which will be linked here on Facebook. And so I'm going to click yes that we are part of the Educational Service Unit number 9. And then I'm going to start typing in Superior and choose it. And now it's just asking me to use my Google login. So I'm going to make sure I choose my school one. And now I'm in, and so you can see that I have book options right here. Some that will read along to me. And then of course I can search subjects, if you know your reading level, or just different collections. So just lots of great opportunities to be able to continue reading this summer and maybe check out some new books. So hopefully you will enjoy doing that. And I'll just open one book here. So you can kind of preview it by clicking the sample. And then if it's something you think that sounds interesting, I would like to go ahead and read it, I will click the borrow. And I'll go to my checkouts. And then you can see that I'm able to download the audiobook, that I can choose to just listen to it here on my computer. So then you can see I can return it when I'm done, or I'm also able to renew it. So this book that I picked out is only as an audiobook type. So just something to kind of keep in mind and take a look at. And this one, if I say I want to borrow it, and so this one I am able, if I have a Kindle, I could do it that way, or simply download it or read it right here in my browser. And so it's, just like my regular book, flipping through my pages. And here it is. So that's just a short overview of Overdrive. Enjoy!